There. Today I'm going to show you the steps involved in creating your email campaign. Once you've logged in, click on Send Bulk Mail. Then secondly, once the page is loaded, you click on Create New Bulk Mail. So it will take you to the first step in creating the email. Alright, firstly put in your subject. Newsletter text. The sender name, it's normally the company name, but you can also change this to a person's name. You have the sender and reply email address. The sender email address is the email address from which the emails are sent from, and all the failures and returns will be sent back on this address. If you want to split customer replies and failures, then you can specify the alternative email address for the reply address. Then you also need to select your template from the drop down. Alright, now once that is done, you click on next. Every time you click on the next button, the previous step is saved automatically. So you will see you've got two blocks here. The first block on the left, groups not to send to. So it means this is all the groups that's been loaded under your account. So if you want to send to any one of them, you first click on the relevant group name. It will highlight it, and then on the right arrow to move it across. So under this heading you'll see it says groups to send to. So all the groups listed in this block will receive your email. Alright, if you continue, you can add an attachment, let's say a price list or a brochure, whatever the case may be. If it's a new one, you can just click on choose file. You can browse to your desktop, select the attachment that you want to add, click open, and hit the upload new attachment button. Alright, so once it's uploaded, you'll see it populated this block here. So this is the attachment. If it's a previously loaded attachment, you can also select it here from the drop down and then add loaded attachment. It will also appear here. Okay, so once that is done, you continue to the editor. Now it will display your template that you selected earlier, and you can now edit your email. Alright, you will notice all the red dotted lines. Those are the areas that you can edit. Okay, you've also got your standard word functions, bold, italic, and align. You can justify the text, upload and insert the image, change the color, change the size. Okay, so let's put in some text. I want to make it bold, underline, increase the size, change the color. See? Alright, and now I also want to insert an image. So click on the choose file. It will browse to your desktop. You can select the image you want to insert. Click on insert image, and it will insert it. Important, before you click the upload image, first click in this area. Make sure that you've clicked so that it knows where to insert it. Alright, also your images, try to keep the size below 1 meg. You can also resize it a bit dimension wise, you know, to make it easier to insert. Alright, then final step, I just want to change the font. I change it from the font, let's make it Arial black. Alright, so now I've done editing and I want to continue to send. So once this is done, your email is campaign, and you can either send a preview mail to yourself or send it to your test group. Once that is done, you've created your first email campaign. Till next time, cheers.